Venerated Better Khyber team. Today I visited two GHS kharghali column for the first floor columns. Pouring, which has been completed, commenced on 31st August 2024 and completed on 1st August 2024 with a C1 10 numbers of column, which is 18 inches by 18 inches with a concrete quantity of 225 cubic feet, and C2 columns are 6 numbers, which are the veranda columns, which are 12 inches by 12 inches with concrete quality 60 cubic feet. A total cement utilized are more than 70 cement bags, fine aggregates 150 cubic feet, and coarse aggregate 250 cubic feet. Next activity would be the first floor slab and beam former, which material shifting would start on 6 August to 8 August. Installation of first floor beam bottom will start on 11 August. The precasting inspection include the checking reinforcement, former checking which is completed, and concrete quality has been maintained, which include mixing of the concrete and materials, and casting supervision include the pouring and compaction, which has been concrete is properly compacted. Thank you so much.